with regard to preparation for GHDC elections, we, we are still in the process of, accepting the applications. The last date for accepting the applications was November 14, but then since there were some requests to extend it, so we have extended this last day of submission to 30th of November 2025. So therefore, still under the process of accepting the candidates' application for party sponsorship. Yes, there are some MLAs. Some MLAs who are who have taken the applications for party sponsorship. Anti-incumbency is always there whenever the ruling party goes to poll. So here in district council, we do have certain anti-incumbencies, but we have already, we have resolved the issues also that were, arising there in GHDC. So therefore, we should not have, we should be able to go to the people with positive, attitudes and all. No, everyone is seeking party ticket. They have already applied for the party tickets.
Yet.
Well, once the last date for submission is completed, we will be having a meeting. And if we found that there are multiple applicants for particular constituency, then we will be forming observers. So we'll be sending the observers to the constituency who will, carry out massive discussion with party leaders and also local MLAs there, and also to the party leaders till the grassroots level. So therefore, after receiving their inputs, we will be having a meeting again, and we will be discussing throughout the party leaders from district level, block level. So this exercise we will carry out, and finally we will go for the winnability. That is the criteria. We will do the survey, party will do the survey, and Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister is also having his own, survey team, and also Honorable Chief Minister, he has all the information from police, from IB, and so on and so forth. Issues, district council needs to be reformed, which we have already started. During last tenure also, this present executive committee, no one has, appointed, not a single person has been appointed by the present executive committee, which is run by NPP party. So therefore, the reformation has already started. Of course, there were lots of problems and issues which the executive committee and as well as the state government has already, resolved the issues.